Oh, hello. I'm out here at Pen Island, Five Hook. I'm out just doing a little nature walk thing. As is what my therapist said yesterday, there's a lot more self-care that seems to be happening rather than stuff. And so, aside from the fact that I biked 6 kilometers to get out here, against the wind, because it's coming from a south-southwest direction. What do you want? Oh, it just starting to sweat in the sweater, so it activated a little bit. Hopefully it won't turn off. Anyways. But yeah. So I'm doing a little bit of nature walk. I am not as stressed out about, as many Americans probably are, about the recent news to come out of Eastern Europe. So, but it's just nice to get out and about and not be on Twitter, just doing some Pokemon stuff like the daily incense, not getting on WoW because the servers are bogged down. I already saw some tweets this morning. I mean, I'm probably going to go do it, but I'm probably going to go through the character creator of the Dracthyr. I've already got the name saved. After 15 freaking years, I'm finally using that name for a decent character. I know my sister doesn't watch this stuff, but for once, I'm actually naming a character after the channel name. Technically, before, but anyways. So, yeah, it's a nice little nature walk. Trundling around. Seeing all the, so we get the, all out there, just water. Mira being weird over there, as it does. Yeah, I know. I paused for a second. Continue. Yeah. I started it right as I got done with stuff. So I've been like walking for 17 minutes. And I'm kind of making my way back. But like I said, I'm doing the self-care stuff. Like I said, I'm getting away from society. I'm getting away from sitting on my phone staring at TikToks. Letting my brain not have to deal with society. You know? See some swans. See a random lady sitting down back over there that I'm yelling at in the middle of nowhere. Walking amongst just this. And so, and you can go back and replay that. Maybe sometime in the future, I'll grab a bit of like chest mount or something and just walk through here and put some gevaarlijke terrein, geen toegang. Okay. Left. But anyways, yeah. I'm not going by the gym because after a fashion, I like going to the gym, but I don't go for, I feel like I should, because here, if I don't go to the gym, I'm not putting all my effort into playing football. But this is not all that about. It just happens to be the really popular videos, even the recent ones. Uh-oh, slippery, muddy stuff. Anyways, and it ebbs and it flows, and sometimes I feel like I'm letting the channel down because I'm not doing the football. And then other times, I feel like I'm letting down the non-football people down because I'm not doing the Amsterdam, you know. But there are multiple times where I do vlogs in Beaverton, in the nature park, just doing fuck all. And now, I'm just walking. It helps with the, but then again, I need to just not rationalize. How is walking in this forest helping me play football? It's getting my brain away from the busy. I biked 6 kilometers out here. I'm gonna walk for probably about 3, and then I'm gonna bike about 6 back. But it gets me out of the house. I mean, yeah, I can hear the plane up there, but it's not like dealing with a bunch of teenagers around the skate park or dodging a bunch of people going through on bikes or trying to manage a store, you know, where women are walking around with their carts, staring at the food, not watching where their cart's going, running into random things, knocking over whole piles of baskets or in aisle displays and stuff. I just, dude. But yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much what's going on today. The benefit to the bike ride, that it was against wind, is the fact that because there was such a strong, absolutely direct wind, I was only able to be in like 4th gear, and it felt like I was struggling. To be fair, I'm also wearing one of my new sleeves, 3/4 leggings, and my legs have gotten bigger. They're squeezed in there right now. Kind of feels like they're going a smidge numb. But like tonight, Aaron and I are probably gonna, I don't know what we're gonna do. I mean, Titans has started back up, but we said we're gonna wait till after London. And then tomorrow, I've got to record a Sunday video, and I've got to record and what happens on Thursdays as is. When I say a Sunday video, meaning the one that will be up on Monday. So yeah, I got a lot to do tomorrow. And then, again, even if I don't have the physical capability to go to practice, I know it's hard. And like I said on Sunday, I gotta go or I may never go back. And I gotta stop making the exceptions. It was nice that a teammate got back to me in a private message. It wasn't on a comment on that video. It was in a DM on WhatsApp. And I was just, I saw it that night. I saw it Sunday night, and I waited till Monday to say something about it because I had no clue how to respond to it. I'm so socially awkward, I didn't know what to say. So I was like, thanks. You know, make the joke that it's fine, you know, I'm just out here collecting minorities like they're Pokemon. Gotta catch them all. But I'm not gonna integrate enough that I'm gonna do blackface. Anyways, it's that special time of the year. So I'll see you guys all tomorrow. So Thursday, this will go up live Thursday, and then tomorrow's video will go up on Friday. Shortly after that goes live, we'll be going to London. I need to look at the dates and figure out what needs to be recorded for what. We might have a live video recorded, uploaded through hotel Wi-Fi on the phone. Because we're not like going to be out in the middle of the, you know, Aegean Sea. We're going to be in London. So I will see you guys when I see you.